here at the General City Boy Campus. Today, this night, we proud of Christmas celebration. Napakasap natin sila. Thank you so much to the active officers of each college. And of course to the contributions of our student dreaming This tradition will usher us in the spirit of the season and ignite us in unity within our academic community. And to formally begin, we may invite everyone to please remain standing. Open your sound phones as we officially begin the countdown. Ladies and gentlemen, this portion marks the ceremonial lighting that symbolizes hope, togetherness, and the official commencement of our holiday observances. To lead us in the opening ceremony and to welcome us all and to lead us for the countdown, the project Dr. Marvin Rigoberto! Merry Christmas!